In our portfolio, 30% of our portfolio, the GSTs have gone down, and we have also dropped our prices. You must have seen in the newspaper and all the communications which we have done, and I think it has helped us make our product more affordable, and affordability gets drives consumption, and we are looking at very good growth numbers going forward. The market will grow. There's a lot of great consumer sentiment, and it's a wonderful thing for the entire country. Yes, complete benefits is being passed on to the consumers starting today, and you'll see that products in the markets very soon. So I'm a very positive guy, and I always look at positivity. And we've had a challenging Q2 and Q3 calendar year के हिसाब से अगर if we talk about calendar year. So, but now we are in the festive season. We have had GST reforms. Our products have become more affordable, and I look forward to a great quarter four going forward. And there's a sense of motivation in the entire team. There's a sense of motivation in the market. As you rightly said, that this is going to be a great quarter for all of us, not only in beverage industry but most of the industries. FY26, we are looking at a high single digit. We'll try to just touch double digit. That's why we are banking on a very good quarter four. So yes, we are looking at a high single digit growth, but we are very bullish about next calendar year because this affordability, the product have become more affordable, and the market. So there is a momentum which is always good for all of us. So the momentum, I think, will be with us going forward. So I mentioned it in my previous interaction with all of you that we are looking at $1 billion investment in that next 5-6 years in the states of UP Bihar, which is our primary layer market, and we stick to that confidence. So we are extremely confident about beverage industry, and we are extremely confident about our beloved country. So the investments would be there. The growth opportunities are still there. UP, like India is a growth engine of the world. UP and Bihar are growth engines of India. And we completely agree with that theory. So we've already invested in the state of Bihar. Our plant in Buxar will be up and ready in commercialization from January of 2026. We've invested more than 1,200 crores in that. We've just announced our greenfield in the state of in the city of Gorakhpur. Honorable Chief Minister Sir Shri Yogi Ji was there for the groundbreaking ceremony. So the belief is there. Every year we'll be investing about $100 million. So eventually, by growing, and so we'll reach that $1 billion investment. So currently we are at 22,000 bottles per minute. With Bihar coming in by the end of this year, we'll be 27,000 bottles per minute. So we plan to double it in the next 5 years. That is where the investment will go. And the kind of growth we are going to get in years to come. So that requires that kind of investment. So investment will be in capacity expansion. Investment will be in coolers in the market. Investment will be in capability. Investment will be in innovation. Investment will be in warehouses. Investment will be in fleets. So yeah, we are very bullish. We are very bullish about this country, and very bullish about this industry.